it's Stephanie with Pastease.com. Today I'm going to address all of you first-time Pastease users and try to soothe some of that overwhelmment in when and why and how do I narrow down my options for Pastease use. I'll try to keep it brief, but there's so much to this, so fingers crossed that I don't make your ears bleed. Pastease, we use medical grade adhesive in both of our lines. Both of our lines are latex-free, medical grade, waterproof, hypoallergenic adhesives. So there's that. In our Pastease line, we have hundreds and hundreds of styles. With all of our styles in the Pastease line, our other line is a reusable line, and it's a little bit more of a high-end line, but you would wear them in the same way. So all of our packages come with a pair of pasties. We provide little nipple pads, and you just peel and stick. So you would peel this liner off and position one time in the mirror, place on, and smooth down. These little nipple pads are optional to use. If you want to use them, you simply place them on the back, the sticky side, and in the center. And this just would protect the nipple for that time of removal, making it a little bit more gentle and also preventing adhesive from adhering to your nipple jewelry if you have piercings. With that said, make sure you're paying attention to jewelry size if that is a thing. That's it. So very simple and easy to use and remove. For removal, you don't want to like rip it off. It would be like a band-aid, and you would want to keep it as close to the skin as possible. It just makes it more of a gentle experience, unless you're into that kind of thing, but I'm not having that conversation right now. So super easy to wear. Why would you wear pasties, or why do I need them? Well, we sell countless pairs of pasties every month for countless reasons. We have customers that need them for functional reasons, whether it be extra security when public speaking, maybe just to help smooth hard nipples, special occasion dresses, whether you're just wearing pasties and you don't want a nip slip. My most functional use personally that I use is I always wear them under my bathing suits. My breasts like to come out for air. I don't know what it is, and it doesn't matter what style of top I wear, but they are just always out looking for a little fresh breath of air. And I would much rather have a little smidge of a heart or flowers sticking out of my bikini top than a little bit of areola waving to everybody. So there's lots of great functional and security reasons that you may choose to wear pasties. We have all of the flesh tones and your basic black, whites, and reds in mattes and high shine finishes. So we have all the functional reasons covered at Pastease.com. We have all sorts of special occasion styles, from Love Me and Let's F and just some naughty ones, to happy birthday, happy anniversary styles, all the major holidays. There's all sorts of fun special occasion ones. We have lots of fun little wacky ones, from like burgers and fries and tacos, that just make for a fun surprise. You know, it's Taco Tuesday, you go out, and Taco Tuesday's over, you come home, and there's more tacos to enjoy. So you can wear pasties just for fun. We have, like I said, hundreds and hundreds of styles. So maybe you're wearing a costume and you want just something to coordinate with that and to add an extra swing to your step. Well, there's a pasties for that, and they definitely do add a swing to your step. So they're fun just to coordinate with what you're wearing, just because. I often wear them on days that I wake up just kind of feeling blah, and I'll put them on, and it's my own little personal mood boost. I love feeling good, and I think, you know, fake it till you make it. And sometimes just putting on something that makes you feel good, whether it's a lipstick, a pair of earrings, bracelet, whatever, it can just change your whole day. And Pasties do that. They do that for a lot of my girlfriends and a lot of our customers. So they can just be that, just a little pick-me-up. They're a great way to add, you know, spice and fun to relationships. They give you freedom to feel secure, and I love our product, and I love supplying it to the world at large. I'm proud to say that our customers have been customers for years. People that enjoy our product tend to enjoy it for many, many, many moons. And that can be starting in your early 20s and into having a family and forever more. I am always blown away by our demographics. Even my grandmother in her grieving group had some little old lady friends that loved our pasties just for the functional purposes. So pasties are for any adult that just needs them in their life. Like I said, whether it be for purely functional reasons or purely fun, our product has just touched so many lives, and I'm always really, really touched by that, from the letters and messages I've received over the years. I've received, you know, pictures from husbands writing anniversary cards, and the fact that our brand gets in there is really, really awesome. So I'm excited for you to try our product, try it on, and see how it works in your life in a regular way, whether it be for just personal use, or for fun in the bedroom, or for just the spice of life, maybe even out of the bedroom. I don't know. So if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I will personally get back to you. And you can find all of our fabulous styles at pastease.com. Again, we have coupon codes if you are a first-time user, and just sign up for our newsies for continued coupon codes. You can also find us on Instagram under Pastease, and Pinterest, and all of that fun stuff. Please like and subscribe, because that's what YouTubers say. So smash, boing, bang that button, please. All right, that's it for now. Thank you. Bye.